This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing the tablet and opening settings. First, unlock the Lenovo tab and confirm it's running a supported Android version. This affects menu names. Once done, open Settings and search for Sound or Sound and Vibration so you land in the right place quickly. If you plan to use a custom tone, make sure you have the audio file saved in Downloads or a Music folder, and that files or your music app has storage permission enabled. Now you'll change the sound. Go to Settings, then Sound and Vibration, and tap Default Notification Sound to pick a system tone. This sets global alerts. Alternatively, open Apps, pick the specific app, tap Notifications, then the notification channel and choose Sound to set app-specific tones. To use a custom file, select Add or Choose from Device, then navigate to the folder with your file and tap it. Android accepts MP3 or OGG. Make sure you confirm the selection before exiting. Finish by testing what you changed. Send a message or use the test sound option to confirm the alert plays. If you don't hear anything, restart the app and then the tablet because a reboot often resets audio routing. Make sure the file is MP3 or OGG and not DRM protected, and verify the app's notification permissions and do not disturb settings. If problems persist, clear the app cache or reset app preferences as a key troubleshooting tip to restore missing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.